Hello everyone, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. I hope that you are having a fantastic weekend and of course let's go right now to EOS daily update. Let's go and see the next targets as EOS is in an impulsive wave mode. Okay, we are going to see what we are going to do. So we are going to the 4-hour frame right here and of course I have the potential target on my mind. The first one should be the case that we approach the 1.10. Okay, so EOS right here, nothing can stop it. It is in an impulsive wave in the lower time frames right now. 1-hour frame, not the 4-hour frame yet. You can see that in order to say that we are in an impulsive wave mode in the 4-hour frame, we need to keep making higher highs and higher lows in the 20-day MA. It is not enough right here to say that we are in a huge impulsive wave in the 4-hour frame. However, the case right now is with EOS that it is completely bullish, and we are so glad that we announced it back here into the bullish pattern, right? And so you can see EOS breaking above, breaking out all the time, going upwards. The corrections are very minor. You can see the corrections are nothing more than just small corrections going on after an uptrend. And of course, what I'm saying about EOS right here is that on the daily frame it can grow potentially even higher. I'm expecting the RSI to go above the 70s, okay, to reach above the 70s before we drop down. This is another story for EOS that we might be getting it good. And 1.10 is a very huge important resistance level. After the 1.10, there is a slight chance that we can go to the 1.22, but we have to cross the 200 moving average. Now, the 200 moving average in general, whenever we just go above into a bearish cycle, it is a very huge resistance level. You can see back here, for example, going above, having a correction, 200 moving average rejection rate here. Again, both of the times on 8 September and on 24 August. And we are having, of course, a huge risk above this line whenever we are in a bearish cycle. But at the end of the day, I am going to tell you something that I believe truly about EOS. It is that right here, EOS has been underperforming, I know, but if we can close above the 0.968 in the weekly, then I think that we are going to approach all these targets mentioned in the video: 1.22, 1.345, 1.563. Now, when are we going to approach its target, right? Because eventually EOS is looking like it has many chances into going to all these targets. When are we going to close above? So what I think about is that we are going to this 1.22 into the next few days maybe, but the 1.345, 1.563 are going to come into the next probably few weeks. Okay, so the 1.563 won't come so easily. It won't be like, oh, EOS, you're going to fly right there into the next 3 days. No, do not expect that. Okay, but what you can expect from EOS, it is that it will steadily and slowly go and grind all these targets. And why do we care about it? We care about that it is steady and slowly. Always remember, very quick pumps bring quick dumps. So we do not want an unhealthy coin. What we want is a healthy, steady, and slow uptrend. What I mean by that is impulsive wave in the 4-hour frame with its corrections, impulsive wave after in the daily frame with its corrections, impulsive wave after in the weekly frame with its corrections, and so on and so on. This is what you need in order to say that you are having a healthy pump that might lead to further action, to further price action. From where we are right now to 1.56, this is another 48%. We could be even going to the 1.88. For the short term, the 1.10 seems the target right here. 1.88 could be the case that we are going there. 1.88 also is the neckline. Okay, what we are calling a neckline, double bottom pattern. Let's say that we are having a double bottom. This is the neckline closing above the 1.88. I am telling you from now, if you do not enter EOS above the 1.88, this will be the biggest mistake of your life. And we are going to go into an impulsive, more impulsive wave mode to the 3 USDT and so on, where it goes back on Monday, March 2022. You can see this is a 200% profit target. Amazing stuff. But we have to take into consideration the neckline. 1.88 is the neckline, closing above there, and we will do something like this. This is what I hope actually for EOS to do. Okay, getting rejected, going back down to 1.563, and from there it is going to retest and then explode. Okay, something like that I'm expecting. But anyway, let's see what we are going to do. We take it step by step here on Mind Your Crypto, and do not forget to join our monthly subscription as well. Patreon/Mind Your Crypto. It is the best thing you can do for your life. And of course, now it is the time to invest. Now it is the time to join the market with a manual system actually, with over 90% win ratio. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to join, and see you soon with many more videos. Bye.